Welcome to Fun and Start. Let's start this video with an interesting fact. Like our fingerprints, our tongue prints are also unique. In this video, we'll make a projector. All we need is a cardboard, lens, cutter, tape, and a scissor. If you have a small lens, you need a smaller box. If you have a big lens, you need a bigger box. Place the lens at one side of the cardboard and mark it, and then cut it out. After cutting it out, place the lens and seal it. Now our projector is ready. Make sure your screen brightness is high. Unlock the screen rotation and select your favorite video. If your screen doesn't get locked, then install any of these apps and select reverse landscape option. After you select the video, turn it upside down and place it in the projector. And turn off the lights. Adjust your device to get a clear view. Now cover your projector and have fun. It will be more clear than what you see in this video. Have you ever noticed that the three C's in Pacific Ocean are pronounced differently? Check it out. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for new updates.